How you guys doing? I'm Ryan with Brilliant Supply Commercial Kitchen Stop in the Ice Guys. And this is Maria. We operate the most dynamic dealership in the country with focusing on design of restaurants, new and used equipment, and also service arms that service dishwashers and ice machines with 2 different leasing divisions. Maria founded Brilliant Supply over 13 years ago. We're a very customer-focused company. And Maria, what has been the success of growing the company over the last 13 years?
I think what has allowed Brilliant Supply to grow every year and be successful in our community is our focus on customers and great products and being there to not oversell, but to give our customers exactly what they need.
When you're opening a restaurant, you need so many different services, and you have to take a blank canvas and turn it into a restaurant, an empty building, and make it into a restaurant. And that's what we specialize in. We have designers with over 30 years of experience that can take your concept in your head, an empty shell, and create it. So we can build and design you a beautiful restaurant, and also we can make sure that restaurant has a high level of hygiene through Brilliant Supply that focuses in warewashing, 3-compartment sink, hand washing stations, all proper signage for health code, and then also making sure you always have ice with the Ice Guys. Having ice is probably one of the most important commodities for any restaurant, any bar service, and not having ice is a really big pain. So we actually have a guaranteed ice service program where if our machine goes down, we will compensate the cost of you having to buy ice. We also cover biannual service and filter changes along with our leases to making sure that you can focus on operating your great restaurant. We feel with all of our services that we can make your life easier, and opening a business in South Florida, you must come by our dealership. And make sure to also check us out on our e-commerce site, commercialkitchenstop.com.
If you're looking to lease any equipment, you should check us out on our website, commercialkitchenstop.com. There's an option there for lease to own, whether you're looking to lease one piece of equipment or your entire kitchen. It's quick. We'll know in a few minutes how much money you qualify for so that you don't have to come out of pocket for your equipment, and you can save that money for marketing, for your team members, or whatever it is. It's also Section 179 if you lease a piece of equipment that you could write off. Consult your accountant for money-saving opportunities. After designing your custom restaurant, a lot of money goes into equipment. It can be very costly. An option for saving money for our customers is renting a dish machine from Brilliant Supply at a reasonable monthly rate.
So speak to a specialist with Brilliant Supply. They'll get you into the right machine. We have low temp dishwashing, high temp dishwashing, single rack, double rack, conveyors, whatever fits the needs of your restaurant to make sure you're producing the proper amount of turnover with your warewashing, sending the dishes out. When I say warewashing, I just mean your dishes, your plates, your cups, making sure all that stuff gets to the back of the house and turned out back on plates so you can generate more revenue for your company. So making sure you speak to someone that knows what they're talking about, that gets you into a good American manufacturer like CMA or American Dish. Our technicians specialize in these types of equipment, and all the parts are on their trucks to get you up and running immediately. If you're down on a Friday night at 7 o'clock and the dishes are piling up, put a call into our number,
1-800-498-9821. The kind of service we provide is that we will have a technician out there to service your dishwasher, to help you out with any chemical needs within 24 hours.
Another way you can save costs off your equipment schedule is looking into pre-owned equipment, which we also specialize in. I have a wood stone oven here that will cost you over $30,000 brand new, but yeah, we can have it totally refurbished for you for under $15,000. So moving on, we buy every piece of equipment. So a 6-burner range, a mug froster, a 3-door freezer. And we make sure we warranty our used equipment for 90 days to make sure you're never put into a bad piece of equipment. And also, if you're looking to get a new piece of equipment and your old piece of equipment may have value, you can buy that new piece from us and we'll gladly give you a check for your used piece of equipment. And then of course, you can see we have lots of new inventory coming in. We're busting at the seam here, we're growing. We're moving into a big new warehouse soon. So we have every major brand here from True, Vulcan, Cambro, you name it. We rep every major manufacturer as well as quality imports to make sure we meet every price budget.